The spinning of the earth on its axis is called dash. Options: A. Revolution. Option B. Rotation. Option C. Orbiting. Option D. Precession. Answer: rotation. Option B. The spinning of the earth on its axis is called rotation. Second, the earth takes approximately dash days to complete one revolution around the sun. Option A 30, option B 100, option C 365, and option D 24. Answer: 365. The earth takes approximately 365 days to complete one revolution around the sun. Third, the earth's rotation causes dash. Option A season, option B day and night, option C yearly changes, option D none of the above. Answer: day and night. The earth's rotation causes day and night. Fourth, what is the tilt of the earth's axis dash? Option A 0 degrees, option B 23.5 degrees, option C 45 degrees, and option D 19 degrees. Answer: option B 23.5 degrees. Fifth, which movement of the earth causes season? Option A rotation, option B revolution, option C tilting, and option D gravitational pull. Answer: revolution. Which movements of earth causes season? Revolution. Write the statement as true and false. Sixth, the earth revolves around the sun is a circular path. Answer: false. The correct answer for this sentence is the earth revolves around the sun in oval path. Second, the earth takes 24 hours to complete one full rotation. Answer: true. Third, the tilt of the earth axis is responsible for the changes in seasons. Answer: true. The earth's rotation and revolution occur simultaneously. Answer: true. In the blanks, the earth rotates from dash to dash. Answer: west to east. Second, the path that the earth follows around the sun is called its dash. Answer: orbit. The earth's axis is tilted at an angle of dash degrees. Answer: 23.5 degrees. The point in Earth's orbit where it is closest to the Sun is called dash. Answer: equinox. Match the following questions. Rotation. Answer: the Earth spins on its axis. B. Revolutions. Answer: causes seasons. C. Tilt of axis. Answer: 23.5 degrees. And orbit: a path around the Sun. Different between rotation and revolutions. Rotation: the spinning of the Earth on its axis is called the rotation. Revolutions: revolutions causes seasons. Answer the following question in details. Why do we experience day and night? Answer: when we are on the side of the Earth that is facing the Sun, we have daylight. As the Earth continues its spin, we are moved to the side facing away from our Sun, and we have the night time. Second question: how does the tilt of the Earth's axis affect the seasons? Answer: affects the angle at which the sun rays pass through the atmosphere and the length of the daylight an area experiences. Explain how the revolution of the Earth causes the change in seasons. Answer: the Earth's spin axis is tilted with respect to its orbital plane. This is what causes the seasons. When the Earth's axis points toward the Sun, it is summer for the hemisphere. When the Earth's axis points away, winter can be expected. What does the Earth have different lengths of day and night throughout the year? Answer: variations in the length of day and night time from seasons to season. On the Earth's surface, due to the axial tilt of Earth's rotation axis with respect to its orbital axis.